Everyone wants to write a book until they actually sit down to write one. Then suddenly they are staring at a blank page for several minutes and having thousands of doubts whether or not they should do this. If you have ever felt like that, don't worry, you are not alone. In this video, I'll be sharing with you 5 things every beginner writer must know. Things I wish someone had told me when I began writing. Let's dive in. Number 1, you don't have to be perfect to start. You see, perfection is the fastest way to kill your creativity. Most great books you see out there today didn't start as masterpieces. Many of them started as a messy draft. Your first draft is you just telling your story to yourself. So stop editing while writing. Just focus on pouring out the old details. You can always come back to polish later, right? But you cannot edit on a blank page. So get started already. Number 2, read more than you write. Reading is fuel for writing. I see a lot of writers or beginner writers say, I want to write, but they rarely ever read a book. I was once there. Reading will help sharpen your creativity, build your vocabulary, structure, storytelling. It will help you explore different writing tone from different authors. Don't just read books that you love. Explore everything from fiction, non-fiction, poetry, and even blogs. The more you read, the more your writing finds direction and depth. Number 3, writing is 80% discipline and 20% inspiration. Funny how a lot of beginner writers want to wait till they are inspired before they write. Waiting for inspiration before you write is like waiting for rain in the desert. It never comes. You see, real writers show up whether inspiration is available or not. A lot of great writers have more than 10 books published a year. And you think they do that based on inspiration? No, they set a routine and stick with it. You want to be consistent with your writing. Consistency helps build your confidence, and confidence in turn builds your craft. Number 4, feedback is not an attack. The first time someone critiques your work, it can sting. I assure you, it can sting. But feedback is not your enemy. In fact, it's your mirror. You get to see where you are, the things you can improve upon, and how you can make your writing better. Every best-selling author you see out there today have editors who challenge them. So learn to separate your ego from your writing. Take what is useful, avoid or ignore what isn't, and keep growing. Number 5, your voice is your superpower. You may think everything has already been written. What else do I want to write? But it hasn't been written by you. So your perspective, your writing style, your story, your tone, these things make your writing unique. Don't try to copy. Express yourself. You see, the world does not need another copy. It just needs an authentic you. So if you're a beginner writer out there, it's okay to start messy. But while doing that, ensure you stay consistent, read widely, keep showing up, and embrace feedback. While you're at it, don't forget to trust your own voice. Don't look at yourself and say somebody else writes better than me. It's a process, it's a skill, and over time you get better at it. Every fantastic writer you see out there started where you are. So don't give up. I hope these 5 tips have been helpful, and if it has, click that subscribe button for more juicy tips like this.
Please like, share, and subscribe.